Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to install the latest version of Python. Current version of Python is 3.11.0 and I will show you how to install this, and I will also show you how to install the IDLE of Python, as well as I will run the first program in Python. So I'm going to start this installation now. First of all, you have to move into the browser and type here Python. First you will see the website www.python.org. then go to the downloads tab. This window will appear in front of you. You have to click on this button, download Python 3.11.0, which is the current version of the Python. If you are using any other operating system, I'm using Windows. If you are using Linux, Unix, Mac, so you can click on relevant operating system for the installation on that operating system, but I am using Windows, so I will proceed with this. So I will click on this, then this will start downloading here, and after it will finish, I will install it. Python has been downloaded, and I will click on this and will click on show in folder. Then this is my Python. I will double click on it, or I will right click on this, and here I will open it. Okay, this window appears in front of you. Here you will go and check this add python.exe to path. By clicking on this, it will add the Python path to my environmental variable path. Then I will click on customize installation. Then these are the features in this Python. I will make it sure that every feature is enabled. First there is a documentation, then there is PIP. Basically this PIP is used to install Python libraries and packages, and IDLE. Okay, so I will click next. Then I will click on install Python 3.11 for all users. Okay, this is where my Python files will get saved. It will be saved on C drive, program files, and its name will be Python 3.11, and I will click install. I will wait. So it will prompt me yes or no, so I will click on yes, and I will wait till this installation will get finished. Now my Python has been installed. I am going to close this. Now I will go into the search box and will type here cmd. I want to open my command prompt where I will check my Python has been installed or not. So I will go into this and I will type a command here, python --version. This is the command which will check what is the current version of Python that has been installed in my PC. So I will hit enter. So it is showing me that Python 3.11.0 is the version that has been installed successfully into your computer. Now I'm going to run my first program. So to write my first program, I will type py and I will hit enter. So I am in the coding mode of Python. Now I can write any code. Suppose I want to write any line, I want to print any line. So I will type print hello world, and I will hit enter. So you can see this is the command that I have typed, and this is the output of that instruction. Okay, so my Python is working perfectly. And now there is another way to write the Python program. So for that I will go into the search box again, and I will type IDLE, and I will open up this IDLE Python. So this is basically the environment in which I can write Python program. We can say this is a Python shell in which we will be able to write Python code. Now I'm going to write here Python code. So I will write here print hello from Indus Technologies. Hello from Indus Technologies. Now I will hit enter, and you will see the output here, hello from Indus Technologies. So our program is successfully working. Similarly, I can write any expression. Suppose 7 plus 5. I will hit enter, and it gives me the answer 12. So we are writing it successfully. Our code is working fine. Now there is another way. If you are working on the big project, if you are building a big program, then you can do one thing. You can type here file new. So I can write my Python code here also. So I will write here print hello everyone. I'm going to save this file save. I want to save this file. First I will save it on desktop, and I will write its name here as index. You can give it any name, but I will write index. As this is a type Python file, I don't need to write here .py. So it will automatically get saved in py format. Now this is saved. I will see, is it saved? Yes, this is saved here. I can open it here also. So it is already open. So I will go to this file again, and I want to run this. So I will go to the run option, and either you can press F5 to run this. So I will click run module. So you can see your result, hello everyone, here. So our program is working fine, and this was the way how you can download and install Python and run first program on it. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe our channel Indus Technologies.